Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio website using Carrd. This is perfect if you're a freelancer, creative professional, or anyone looking to showcase their work online in a clean professional way. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to carrd.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. But the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. After logging in, look toward the upper right panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a button that says Plus New Site. Click on it to start creating your portfolio. A menu will appear with different categories of templates. Navigate to the Portfolio section, as this is specifically designed for showcasing your work and projects. Now, scroll down through the available portfolio templates. Carrd offers several beautifully designed options, each with its own style and layout. Take your time browsing through them and choose the one that best represents your personal brand or the aesthetic you're going for. Once you've found the perfect template, click Select to proceed. You'll now be in the editor where you can customize every aspect of your portfolio. Start by clicking on the Image section. This is where you'll upload visuals that represent your work. In the left panel, you'll see an option to upload. Click on it, then browse through your computer files to locate the image you want to use. Select your image and click Open. The image will now appear in your workspace, but you'll likely need to adjust its size and positioning. Use the resize controls to make it fit perfectly within the design. Then click Accept in the upper right corner to confirm your changes. Once you're satisfied, click Done to finalize this section. Next, move on to the text section by clicking on it. In the left panel, you'll be able to enter your text. Type something like "My portfolio" or any heading that introduces your work. This is your chance to make a strong first impression, so choose words that reflect your professional identity. Now, let's make that text stand out. Click the Appearance button in the upper left. Here, you can adjust the text color by using the color picker. Choose a color that complements your overall design and ensures readability. Next, adjust the font style by clicking the drop-down menu. Carrd offers a variety of fonts, so select one that matches your brand's personality. You can also adjust the size by using the slider, making your heading as prominent or subtle as you prefer. If you want to edit more sections, simply repeat these steps by clicking on each section individually. You can also add more elements to your portfolio by clicking the plus button in the upper right corner. From there, select your preferred elements, whether that's additional images, text blocks, or other features that enhance your portfolio's presentation. And that's it. You've successfully created a portfolio website using Carrd that showcases your work professionally and effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.